Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. Now, we had a pretty massive spike to the downside yesterday. US was pretty much the only market that was open, and low volumes and straight down on a little bit of data, and the data wasn't really that bad. Nevertheless, we are coming up to 107,219. And if you just zoom out onto a daily, you'll see that is a very strong area of support. So this could be bottom of range that we're coming up to. And if you look at the oscillators here, everything's agreeing with that. And could be an exhaustion bar here down to the bottom as well. What's going on that I would be very cautious of trying to jump in short at the moment. So for me, shorts are off 107,686. So this right now is not the area I want to be jumping in. And if you drop down to the hour, you can see that there was a gap. That was the data that came out, and then we kind of ran. So that's the only area that I'd be interested in right now. If you are holding short on this, that's fantastic. I'd be moving my stop down to where is that, 107,445, and probably looking to take profit at 107,219. So not really keen on longs. Obviously we're in a downward trend here, so I'd want to continue moving to the downside, but this is the area that I'd be paying attention to, 107,686, and that is also a gap. So you should probably put in the next level at 107,756. So price needs to get back up to there. It needs to be an inside bar, pin bar, engulfing bar before we get in, and then we jump in on that for a short to the downside. And that would be on the 15 minute, obviously. So at the moment, 15 minutes not offering anything, and even a break above this area at 107,446. Not too sure I'd be wanting to go long, because that would be against the bigger trend on the hours. So yeah, that's my view at the moment. It's wait and see. Now there is German CPI data coming out this afternoon, which will impact the euro. So it's probably wise just to sit back and wait, ease yourself into the week after the long weekend, and wait for something concrete before jumping in, I suppose, is what we should be doing. Anyway, that's me for today. I'm sitting on my hands, not getting involved in this until I see some better structure, and then we will be looking to either trade with the trend, which is down, or alternatively we're going to be looking at a major area of support. And we're coming up for a weekly one. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of people going to take the scalp here, and take a long scalp, but I don't think it's worth the risk for me anyway. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.